ইংলিশ তোমার সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। কনসোনেন্ট বি সি ডি এফ জি এইচ জে কে এল এম এন পি কিউ আর এস টি ভি ডব্লিউ এক্স ওয়াই জেড। ভাবেলস এ ই আই ও ইউ। রেডিও থেকে কনসোনেন্ট আর ডি ভাবেলস এ আই ও। আমব্রেলা কনসোনেন্ট এম বি আর এল ভাবেল ইউ ই এ। রিফ্রিজারেটর কনসোনেন্ট আর এফ জি টি ভাবেল এ আই এ ও। Find the words that start with a consonant and circle them. Eagle, ant, elephant, dog, onion ও ভাবেল। Find the words that start with a consonant and circle them. Dog, tomato. Find the words that start with a vowels and circle them. Eagle, ant, elephant, onion, iguana, octopus. Noun, name things, people, animals, places, things. Noun, boy, girl, book, carry-on, school, village, cat, dog. Adjective, talk more about noun. Tall boy, short boy, black carry-on, white carry-on, big school, small school, pretty cat, ugly cat. Underline the adjective and circle the noun. Tall girl, tall underline, tall adjective, girl noun. Black cat, black underline, cat circle. Noun circle, underline adjective. Sad dog, sad underline dog circle. Big school, big underline school circle. White cat, white underline cat circle. Ugly dog, ugly underline dog circle. Singular apple, A-P-P-L-E, plural apples, A-P-P-L-E-S. Cat, cats, chair, chairs, orange, orange. A bag, choose the right ones. ব্যাগের আগে এ হবে, এয়ারপ্লেন অ্যান এয়ারপ্লেন, ইগল অ্যান ইগল, অ্যান এলিফেন্ট, এ ক্যাপ অ্যান আমব্রেলা. Singular plural potato potatoes, orange orange, grape grapes, bird birds, baby babies, B-A-B-O-Y baby, B-A-B-I-E-S, a dog dog dogs, leaf L-E-A-F leaf leaves L-E-A-V-E-S, flower flowers, tree trees, butterfly butterflies, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, fly flies F-L-I-E-S, baby babies, B-A-B-I-E-S, leaf leaves L-E-A-V-E-S, wolf wolves, W-L-V-E-S. Catch the grammar, match the opposite. A pretty dog, a asli dog, a sad dog, a happy dog, a tail dog, a short dog, a white umbrella, a black umbrella, an old umbrella, a new umbrella, a big umbrella, a small umbrella. A plus adjective plus singular number. A pretty dog, a fast boy, a new umbrella, a young eagle. An plus adjective plus singular noun. An ugly dog, an angry boy, an old umbrella, an hopeful eagle. Opposite, fat boy, fat boys, thin boys. Quiet boys, noisy boys. Fast boys, slow boys. Big balls, small balls. White balls, black balls. Hard balls, soft balls. Adjective plus plural noun. Pretty dogs, fast boys, new umbrellas, young eagles, ugly dogs, angry boys, old umbrellas, hopeful eagles. What is a cat? The cat on the box. What is a dog? The dog in the box. On preposition, in preposition. Where is the apple? The apple in the basket. Where is the mango? The mango on the table. In, on, preposition, at, between. Where is a ruler? In the box. Non-specific, specific. Non-specific in a box, specific in the box. In a bag, in the bag. In a jar, in the jar. Look and match the right ons. Where is a frog? In the pond. Where is a rooster? On the roof. Where is a rabbit? On the grass. Where is a pig? In the mud. Fill in the blanks. Dash dash box. In the box. Dash 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 bag. In the pink bag. Dash dash big book. On the big book. Dash dash small jar. In the small jar. There is a backpack under the table. Choose the right ones and look at the picture. There is a backpack under the table. There is a telephone on the table. There is a fish in the fish bowl. There is a bird on the roof. There is a lamp by the TV. There is a window over the clock. There is a pizza on the table. There is a toy bear under the table. There is a dish by the jar. There is a coin in the jar. There is a boy on the ladder. There is a dog under the ladder. Unscramble. An apple is there, the dish on. This is an apple on the dish. The desk on a computer is there. There is a computer on the desk. Is there a big bed the room in? There is a big bed in the room. There is a clock on the each wall. There is a clock on the wall. There a picture is over the desk. There is a picture over the desk. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks. There there's a rooster. That's the roof. There is a rooster on the roof. There there's a leaf. That's the butterfly. There is a leaf over the butterfly. There there's a pig. That's the mud. There is a pig. That's the mud. There's a tree. That's the cow. There is a tree by the cow. There's a cow. That's the rooster. There is a cow by the rooster. There's an apple. There is an apple. That's the tree under the tree. Look at the picture. Follow the instructions. Choose true or false. There is a zebra by the trees. True. There are white bears in the water. False. There are 2 snakes in the cage. False. Choose the right ones. There each are. There are crocodiles in the water. There are ants under the leaf. There is a monkey on the tree. Look at the picture. How many snakes are there in the cage? There are 2 snakes in the cage. How many bears are there on the rock? There are 4 bears on the rock. How many crocodiles are there in the water? There are 2 crocodiles in the water. Choose the right ones and match. This is a long pencil. Each or are. This is. There are long pencil. Each or are. That is a pretty dog. Those are pretty dogs. This is a new doll. These are old dolls. That is a dirty cat. Those are dirty cats.